In today's video we will show you how to get a tile without breaking it. Here you can see an example of what we are going to do. In this way they can be reused later. The only thing we are going to need is a chisel and a hammer. We will put the chisel in the crack between the two tiles, and we will give it soft blows with the hammer. We will see how in a few strokes it already comes out perfectly. Now we see an example of how to get a tile that does not have another one next to it. If you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.